In this project, we're creating a simple yet visually appealing random color generator using HTML, CSS, and JS. With just one click, the app generates a completely new color and displays its hex code, which you can instantly copy to your clipboard. It's a fun and practical mini project that helps you understand color generation, event handling, and dynamic styling in web development. Let's take a closer look at how this random color generator works. The HTML structure is simple and clean. A container card that holds a title, a color display box, and two buttons. One to generate a color and another to copy the color code. The CSS is what gives the project its modern, polished look. The centered layout, smooth gradients in the background, rounded corners, and hover effects make the UI feel fresh and interactive. The color box itself changes dynamically and smoothly transitions to the newly generated color. Now the real magic happens in the JS. The script starts by defining a getRandomColor function. Inside this function, a string of hexadecimal characters is used to generate a random color code by looping 6 times and randomly picking letters or numbers to form a value like $A, 3E, 4F9. Once the color is generated, the updateColor function updates the color box. It sets the background to the new color, displays the color code as text, and even adjusts the text color automatically depending on brightness to ensure good readability. The Generate Color button listens for a click event, triggering the function every time you press it, giving you a new random color instantly. The Copy button is connected to the Clipboard API. When clicked, it copies the current color code to your clipboard and briefly shows a copied message, a small but thoughtful touch that improves the user experience. Finally, an initial color is generated as soon as the page loads, so the app feels active from the very beginning. This project is a great example of how HTML defines structure, CSS adds style, and JS brings everything to life through interaction and logic. It's also a perfect foundation to expand. You could add a gradient generator, a favorite colors list, or even a history of generated shades. The random color generator proves that even small projects can teach big lessons in web design, usability, and creative coding. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.